I don't know how to get to your... Gosh.
So smooth, man.
Dude, check your phone. Check your phone, Adam.
So freaking smooth, man. You got this shit.
Dude, you know that. Don't worry, I'm not worried at all. I'm worried about my breathing right now.
Fucking swimming pool right
Dude,
now.
I can't breathe because you're making me laugh.
Fucking swimming pool.
Pour it on yourself. You won't do it.
Huh? If
Yeah?
I pour it on myself, I won't swim in a swimming pool.
You won't swim in a swimming pool.
You
I don't think you can swim.
Okay. Wanna grab this shit? Wanna grab this?
Fucking do it. Fucking over your head. Baptize yourself.
Wanna grab this?
Baptize yourself.
Alright, we got Adam Amen.
Name of the book.
Stop it, guys.
Over the dome.
We're going to baptize Adam. We're going to baptize